morning, Rich Lewis Jr. This is one of the most exciting days for boat sellers and boat buyers. The boat is currently under contract, and now we're going to have 2 surveys done on this 1998 38-foot Delta Canaveral dive boat. A couple of guys here from Reef Marine are on board, and they're looking over the engine. It's a 2009 MAN turbocharged diesel, 610 horsepower approximately. We'll get those exact numbers here from the guys. 657 approximate hours on the motor. And this is a 1998 Delta Canaveral dive boat. Part of what I do is not only do I market and promote sellers' products, but I find buyers from around the world and here locally in the United States to purchase vessels just like this. This is a commercial dive boat, so it can be used for a variety of purposes. The COI can be up to 22 people plus 2 crew, or you can run as a 6-pack charter without a COI. It's a certificate of inspection that is dealt by the United States Coast Guard, and that means that boat has gone through an extensive overview with the federal regulations that they imply on these vessels. Stay tuned for more of the surveys coming to you live from Stuart, Florida. I'm Rich Lewis Jr. We'll talk soon.